Before I do that, this is my second best trick. 5 bowls, 20 feet high. I know it's not much, but none of you can do it. I know, some people can do 3, but 5 is another year of practice. Here we go. 5 balls, 5 times the noise. Yeah! Wait, check this out. This is my impression of giraffe. Pull that rope, sir. You're sick, but I still like you. Alright, you want to bring it over now? This is it, folks, the human helicopter. Give me the blunt end. I'm joking. Alright, let go. Step back. Folks, before she goes, I couldn't have done it without her. Let's give her a big round of applause. Thank you. Let me just get my balance. Pull the back rope an inch. That's good. All right, folks, this brings me to the end. Sadly, it is time to finish. I just want to thank every single person who stopped to watch my little show here today. My name's Alakazam, and I come all the way from Sydney, Australia. I started performing when I was just 17 years old, and now I'm 19. Folks, I choose to be a street performer because I think that this is honest work for an artist. You get paid what you're worth only by the people that watch and enjoy. Certainly no one speaks English. Let me ask you folks, have you enjoyed the show? Make some noise now. All I ask is that you step forward at the end and support my small business with a tip. Most people put in $400. Maybe not. But maybe a life-threatening stunt in 2022 is worth more than just $1. Make some noise if you agree with that. I know not everyone can afford a 10 or a 20, but some of you definitely can. It'll mean the world to me, because if I don't make enough to fly back to Australia, I'll stay here and I'll marry one of your daughters. So be honest. If you don't have any cash, don't worry. I've got Venmo, PayPal, and Cash App. Feel free to use them. Pull this rope over here. All right, guys on the ropes, don't move a muscle. You two guys down the bottom, I want you to gently let go and step back. Like, don't leave. If you leave, I can't get down. Just, yeah, stay far back, sir. I'm not very good. All right, folks, I've given you my show. I've given you all my energy. Now, I give you my best. Give me your best as well, Boston. Come on. Everyone, together. Pull that rope. Pull this one. Pull it.